Welcome back to Ken's Fishing and Cooking channel. This is Ken. Today I'm back on the river on my John boat. I got a few worms to drown, and maybe we'll catch some bait fish and flip a line out for some catfish. Well, let's get up to the bait hole first, the mullet hole as people call it. See if we catch some bait, and then see if we catch something bigger. See you there. Got him. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, I got a fish. I got a real fish. All right, that is what I'm talking about right there, on the worm. Let's put him down there with that. Got one. Another decent brim. He swallowed it too. All right, now we got a couple of brim. Gonna go ahead and use one for bait. Okay, if that pole goes wild, we know what's going on. Other than that, we got two good fish the day so far. Let's put another hook on, see if we can get some more. All right, got another worm on. We're using pinks today. Go ahead and turn around. Get back to the waterfall there. Throw this worm into it. Perfect. because that's where they were all jumping. Oh, had a bite. Probably took my bait. Let's check it. Not quite, but it got a lot of it. Let's try it again. Got him. Alright, a little bitty bass this time. He's gonna get thrown back. Hope you're okay, buddy. Can't get much better shot than that. Got another one already, just like that. They like to run. Oh, he came off as he was running towards the boat. I saw him. It was a little brim. Alright, thanks for watching Ken's Fishing and Cooking channel. If you've liked what you've seen, please like and subscribe and share it with other people. Thanks, and I'll see you on our next fishing adventure.